In these few simulations, we are going to demonstrate the changes of state. We will start by exploring the process of melting. Melting is the process where solid changes into liquid when the temperature increases. You see a solid in this beaker. The particles of a solid are very close to each other. Notice the movement of the particles and the distance between the particles. Let's increase the temperature and see what happens. Pay attention to the movement of the particles. Notice that when the temperature increases and reaches a certain degree, the particles start moving away from each other, and therefore the solid turns into liquid. If we increase the temperature a little bit more, the solid turned fully into liquid, and notice the movement of the particles. The particles are further away from each other compared to solid. This is the process of melting when solid turns into liquid with increase of temperature. Remember that in solid the particles are very close to each other, however in liquid they move farther away from each other. Continue watching the next few simulations to see more experiments.